how to fix Hive app not connecting issue. So if you want to fix the Hive app not connecting issue, then what you need to do is you just need to simply check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, you need to go with the Play Store and tap on search. And under search, you need to simply search for Hive. Once you have the Hive application, now if you have any updates under the application, then you just need to simply go with update. But if you don't have any updates right here, then what you need to do is just go back and press and hold on to that Hive application. Tap on the app info. Under your app info, you need to go with storage and cache and go with clear cache and also clear storage. Once you've done that, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't, then you need to press and hold on to that power button and you will have restart option. Just go and restart, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't, then you just need to simply go and uninstall the application. Tap on uninstall and again go with the Play Store and again install the application. And now your problem might be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Hive app not connecting issue. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.